Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can publish posts or content on your Bluesky profile using the Bluesky web application. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to Bluesky app, for example, via the web app, log into your account, and here in the left panel guys, below that menu you will see the new post button. Click into it and simply craft your new post. So let me go with, I don't know, example post 1, 2, 3, test, something like that. Just for the sake of this tutorial, so as you can see, that's your post text. Now you can attach various media. If you'd like to post an image, for instance, or a GIF or a video, you may do that by simply clicking into this button, and after that navigate to the given image or photo on your device, or use a GIF here, for instance, or you may also add various emojis. So let me go with the thumbs up here. Let me post it here, place it at the end of that text. And after that, guys, you may also click into this plus button here to add a follow-up post if, for example, your first post exceeds the maximum number of characters, which is usually, if I recall correctly, up to 300. Now you can also change to a different language, for example, or click into more languages here. But before you post your post, guys, make sure that you go through the visibility settings here, where it says anybody can interact, and simply select who you'd like to give the opportunity to, for example, reply to that post, everybody or nobody, or for example, mentioned users, and so on and so forth. I will leave it at everybody and save these settings. And that's it, guys. Once you're ready, simply click into, let me just remove that follow-up post here really quickly. Now you can post your post by clicking into this button in the top right corner. After that, navigate to your profile really quickly, and you will see your post here at the top, as you can see below the pinned post. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.